my client Epion is a large IT service provider in Tennessee, and they use a quoting tool called Connectwise CPQ, formerly known as Connectwise Sell. And I'm going to demonstrate the way the Monjur platform integrates with Connectwise CPQ. And we'll tell you that we also integrate with all of the leading CRM tools and other quoting tools, including HubSpot, Salesforce, Quoter, Autotask, TigerPaw, and many others. This is what the order porter looks like within Connectwise. And you see that what we do is we edit section 3 of the order porter email in a number of different ways. And it doesn't matter whether you're using Connectwise or Microsoft Word for your quote templates or any other quoting tool. This language that we provide on acceptance and incorporation by reference are the legal hooks that tie your quotes or proposals to our online terms and conditions. And there's 3 basic legal concepts in play here. First of all is e-signature. You all are aware of it. This is DocuSign, Adobe Sign, EchoSign, PandaDocs, a variety of different platforms that enable you to have your customers sign your agreements electronically. And there's been plenty of cases that have come out that say, particularly in the B2B context, a properly e-signed document has the same force and effect legally as a wet signature on a piece of paper. The other one that you might be aware of is the click wrap. That's where you'll click a button, or there'll be terms inside of an agreement where you click. In the context of Connectwise CPQ, we reprogram the click wrap to specifically incorporate by reference the terms and conditions that reside on our Exhibit A, and also to have the client represent and warrant that they agree to and have read those terms and conditions. The less well-known feature is what's called browser wrap. The browser wrap language essentially permits the service provider to make changes to the general terms and conditions of their agreements or other customer contracts and related terms, and update those to the client either by updating the date at the top of the agreements on the website and or by providing an email. And I think all of you have received these emails. They read like, in order to serve you better, we've updated our terms and conditions. The following is a summary of what's changed. And then down at the bottom, it says, if you continue to use the service, you agree to these terms and conditions. And what we're doing in the context of browser wrap is very similar to what the large enterprise players have done. So we're taking a more large enterprise approach to customer contracting and bringing it to the mid and SMB markets. This is what the website integration looks like. We recommend to our clients to use our smart hyperlinks and embed them onto a legal page on their website so that the terms and conditions that are applicable to their services, as well as the related documents for data privacy and the schedule of third-party services, are all very readily acceptable to anyone that has a quote or proposal to go and take a look. This is an example of how the Monjur platform integrates with your existing quoting templates and quoting tools. This is what a PDF quote looks like in Connectwise CPQ, but any Word document or other PDF document would be handled the same way. And what you see here is at the top of this quote page, you see the incorporation by reference language that we provided, and then a signature block where the client can either sign physically, or in many cases, the signature is captured through an accept button within a tool. But either way, once it's signed or accepted by the client, all of the terms and conditions on the Exhibit A, which you see at the bottom of the screen, are entered into. This Exhibit A contains the smart hyperlinks to your customized versions of our templates and our cloud solution. So as you send out your quotes, they contain links to your online terms and conditions that we develop and manage for you on the Monjur platform. So every time there's a change, for example, to the master service agreement in the Exhibit A, those links that you see here will always point to the then live version of your terms and conditions. And we manage the whole process from the drafts through the customization and setup, as well as managing the links for your live documents, and also a repository of all of your documents, including your archives, which is where your former live agreements will reside.